Hi, Honey Clouds fam. Let's make pancake the Nigerian way using Chai cook recipe. Let's go. Don't forget to like the video, okay? So in our bowl we have 1 cup of flour, and that is half cup of sugar, like half cup of sugar, that is 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some pepper and onions. She actually made use of some pepper in her recipe, but I'm adding onions in mine. That is my own twist. So we're adding 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of butter, melted butter, and 1 cup, half cup of milk. And also we'll be making use of 3/4 cup of water. Is that right? 3/4 cup. Yeah, that's right. Like half cup plus half of half again. That's 3/4, right? So we're just gonna give everything a gentle mix. Actually, she did the dry ingredients differently and the wet ingredients differently, but I decided to add everything together. Okay, that you saw me putting now is the half of half. I'm going to put it down in the description so you don't get confused with the half, quarter, and all of that. So this is the consistency you should go for, okay? Then we go ahead to heat up our pan, adding some oil. Okay, see, if you want to get this commercial market street kind of pancake vibes, adding enough oil like I did in this first one, adding enough oil. Yeah, it's going to come out just like the one you normally buy as snacks that year when we were still in primary school. We just buy, we have people like hawking it, and yeah, it was kind of delicious, but honestly I prefer mine with lesser oil. But I can't deny the fact that the ones with enough oil to taste good it's still good. So once we are done, we just fold it in like that and scoop in some other batch, scoop in another batch, and that's how we keep frying till everything is done. And the funny part is that before I can even finish up with the second one, I'm done eating the first one. So I don't know how I'm going to show you guys the final result. Out of 5, I ate 3 before I could. No, I ate 2. Yeah, it was that good. Honestly, it was good. Do tell me in the comments if you're going to try this Nigerian way of making pancakes. See you tomorrow. Bye.